Hi, good morning, everyone. So, you guys know me anyway. I don't have to tell you this. In the morning, I get this make the healthy juice. Yeah. So today I'm gonna show you guys. Look, I'm gonna use parsley. Uh, I'm sure everybody knows this. Stinging nettles. So this one's there. If you do like that on your hand, it's look, guys. You see, look, I get bubble on my hands because I'm hitting like that. So actually, it's very good for your body, like for your joints and stuff. So anyway, sticky net is the sting nettles, sticky willy, and parsley, paprika, turmeric, ginger. Okay, and then I will put maybe some honey in it as well, just to make it maybe tasty. You know what I mean? Guys, just wait a bit. So guys, look, I put the ginger in it. So just say I put some parsley, sticky willies, and the stinging nettles. I'll put a little bit more stinging nettles because, all right, guys, look, don't be scared to do it like that, yeah? Look, because it is very good for your body. So I'll check this one in it. And then I check turmeric. Paprika. I mean, that's not paprika. Cayenne pepper. Sure, that was paprika. Cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper is the best. The cayenne pepper, guys. Good for your body. Mahfi, yeah. So check the thing as well. Put some water on it. I don't know how good it will work, but we'll see. Guys, so this is the finished component now. So look at this. This is for me it's healthier. That's why I do, all the time. So I enjoy it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I'm gonna enjoy drinking it. Yes.